Special parameters. So here we will see something quite interesting. This is a bit how a function in Python like generally can be if you want to do something quite special with it. So here if you write some let's say some arguments before this slash, they would be positional only. Actually, they can't be. We'll go through examples, and it will be more easily understandable. Just those ones we can't access them with keyword like we were doing before if they are before the slash, and will be sometimes there are some utility for that. Pos or keyword. Here it's positional or keyword. It's like standard. It's like normal, and before this, like all the positional or keyword will do them before this, and here after this there will be just keyword only. Like you can't access them without keyword, and we'll see some examples. So here we have like the standard argument, the one we have done it. Here we have position only arguments, and here we can see if we do if there are position only arguments, we have no, we still are in standards. So standards, it's like the same. If we do it with position or keyword, it's all fine. But position only arguments, when we do it with pos only arguments, it works. That's fine. But when we do it with keyword arguments, that's not working. So we got some position only arguments passed as keyword arguments. So here doesn't work. When you do it this way, you have to access it just with position only arguments. If you do it this way, keyword only arguments, you can do it this way because this is just it takes actually just keyword only arguments. So you have really to specify the keyword only argument. So here's some combined examples. So we have position only, standard, and keyword only. So here, if you do it like this, it won't work because this one is not keyword. So if you do it here, it's keyword only. That works fine. If you do it like this, standard keyword only works totally fine. And here, if you do pos only, it has to be just pos like this. So the correct one would be just those two ones here for this combined example. Straightforward, we have this function as well. So we what we want to do here is, okay, we have some keywords like earlier, and we have a name, and we want to see if name it will return name in keywords. Return name in keywords is like it will be a true or false if name in keyword. So here we have something is that's actually name, since we have name, and here we have unpacked those keywords, and one of the keywords is name. It's like we have two values for name. So here we have to do something. Here, for an example of the position only arguments is this one. You will if you do it just position only, you can just unpack your name value, a name in this dictionary, just unpack it just without any problem. So